There are situations when you need a serious power supply. Regretfully, most of the time, they're either underpowered or just too darn large, heavy, and complicated. Just like how our Zero Breeze Mark II is known as the world's smallest portable AC, we, at Zero Breeze, have always specialized in taking large and heavy appliances compact without any compromise on its performance. This time, we're bringing to you the Zero Breeze ElecHive 2200 Portable Battery Power Station. The ElecHive employs the latest battery technology. It's slightly larger than a basketball. It's got a lot of power in it. We're talking about 2,400 watts of power. And this, my friends, is how many batteries it would take for a traditional power station to reach a similar capacity. From now on, these are just a thing of the past.
Let's talk about setting up the perfect video call. First, fix up your lighting. Make sure your microphone is working. And put up a giant sheet of cloth around you to hide your background. Well, now, there's a better way. Introducing the Lumina Webcam, the world's first webcam that uses AI to make you look good. How does it work? Instead of adjusting the lighting around you, just put up a color card and Lumina will adjust to your lights. Instead of worrying about clutter in your background, Lumina blurs out your background by creating a beautiful depth of field effect. Instead of moving your seat around to stay centered, Lumina shifts its frame around to keep you in focus. Lumina makes you look good in any setting and any lighting. It's the webcam we wish we could buy. Hey, I'm Raymond.
And I'm Mike.
We're the co-founders at Lumina. We built the Lumina webcam because we've both been in thousands of video calls. We have so many ideas on how to make them better.
Our goal was to build a webcam that makes everybody say, wow, you look great. And the webcam itself should be something you're excited to own.
When you unbox a new phone for the first time, there's a sort of magic to it. You're going to feel that with the Lumina. So we hope you join us on this journey to reinvent the webcam.